Yeah. Happy birthday.
What?
Aiden, move.
It's your own blanket. Now you don't have to.
You don't have to share it.
Yeah.
You got me the blanket from the couch. Really?
I didn't spend a dime on it.
What?
Aiden, move your big noggin.
That's gonna be another box and another box. Wait. No, we already own this. What's going on? It's something tiny. Oh my gosh! Really? Waffles! No,
I know you love waffles.
Yay! Those are one! Yes. Oh! Right there. No, maybe it's not. Oh my god. Probably jewelry. Probably tiny. I think this is the last one. You got a phone! You got a phone. You knew it! Ari already knew that. Oh my gosh!
Don't lift the box.
Don't touch it!
Stop, Zay.
Why? Another box!
Okay, you better turn it off now. It's about to get ugly.
Can I scream?
Why?
Alright, you can...
Okay.